Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade sorbet, easy method. Choose ripe fruit, add sugar and lemon, puree until smooth, chill briefly, then freeze while stirring every 30 minutes until firm. I'll share simple swaps for different fruits, tips to avoid iciness, and ideas for serving with herbs or liqueurs. Follow along step by step and you'll have bright, refreshing sorbet ready to enjoy. Let's get started now. Start with clean, chopped fruit and decide whether to add water, juice, or a splash of liqueur for flavor. Make a simple syrup by dissolving sugar in warm water, cool it, then blend into the fruit puree with lemon for brightness. Chill the mixture, pour into a shallow pan, and stir every 30 minutes until scooping texture forms. I'll explain timing and small tweaks to improve creaminess and flavor as we go. If you're enjoying these sorbet tips, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a terrific read that changes how you think about money and frees up latte money for summer treats like sorbet. It's an easy, practical book I genuinely like, and you can find the link and deals in the description. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For vibrant sorbet, choose fruits like mango, strawberry, or watermelon and taste the puree before freezing to adjust sugar. Add a pinch of salt or a splash of lemon to lift flavors, and consider herbs like basil or mint for an aromatic twist. If you want softer texture, include a tablespoon of alcohol or glycerin per batch to reduce iciness. These simple swaps will help you customize sorbet to your taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.